Come on, Shank. That's a big girl. Yes, it is. Her ears are big girls. Yeah, that more Shank. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at that little. Come on. We finna race. Come on. Remember y'all used to be in there? Oh, my God. Come on. Come on. Come on, over this way. Come over this. See, you finna fall. Hold up. Nave. Nave. Hold up. Hold up. One at a time. You know that. You remember back here, Shank? Y'all only stayed back here for like one night, literally. The last time we came back here, she tried to get up under the door shade. Well, she was smaller then. Huh? What, them ants?
No.
You said what, Harley? What, big baby?
Hi, big baby.
She a big baby?
Yeah.
What you got in your mouth? Come on. Go on up there, Harley. Go on up the step now. Move back in while I'm talking open the door. Go on in, Harley.